According to the National Fire Protection Association, approximately 3 out of 5 fire deaths happen in homes with no smoke alarms or no working smoke alarms. And this year's Fire Prevention Week focuses on the importance of having working smoke alarms in your home. City of Lake Charles Chief of Fire Prevention, Brad Briles, says you should have one smoke alarm installed on every level of your home, one outside of every sleeping area, and one in every bedroom. Chief Briles says they should be tested at least once a month.
Newer detectors now, they have the inner battery that are good for 10 years. If you still have the ones that have the replaceable batteries, then we should say twice a year, replace the battery in your smoke detector. So when you have time change, replace your batteries.
And as cooler months are approaching, you may soon pull out that space heater. Chief Briles says make sure you are plugging it directly into your wall outlet. No extension cords or power strips. He says to make sure that you have at least 3 feet of clearance around it when you're operating it, and don't have any combustible materials nearby.
A lot of times we'll see fires where it's from overheating due to somebody plugging it into an extension cord, overheats the extension cord, starts a fire.
If you plan to use your fireplace in the upcoming winter months, make sure you have your screen protected in the front of it, and make sure you're getting your chimney clean at least once a year.